What's up all my plant lovers? Devin is here and I wanted to do a quick, very fast video showing you guys how to properly deadhead your iris. In particular, I'm going to be working with German bearded iris, Iris germanica. So I want to show you guys how to deadhead them correctly so that you can get the most flowers out of your plants. And if you do happen to have maybe some of those reblooming varieties like I do, well, this will set the stage for them to bloom later on, maybe in, end of summertime. All right, so this is very important to do. Keep your iris clean of their old flowers so that they don't start to go to seed, but rather focus on their foliar growth and then potential new flowers. So let me show you guys how to do it real quick. But first, before we get to that, we can see that they're German bearded iris by their cute little fuzzy beard. These ones have a wonderful fragrance as well. I don't know the name of it, unfortunately, but they're gorgeous. And that little beard signifies that these are the German bearded iris. Okay, so if you're unsure what iris you're actually growing, just do a little research. They're all slightly different, but typically when it comes to deadheading, the process is exactly the same. So if you don't have the bearded iris, the process for removing their old flowers will be the same. So right here you can see a flower that is nice and fully open. We want to let this enjoy its time here in spring, blooming and providing us beauty. But then on the other hand, you see this guy right here. It's looking a little bit shriveled. It looks like it has come and gone. So basically what we do, we just take our scissors, our shears, and we cut right below it. All right, it's important that you cut in the right section because these are flowers that are about to open up. So we don't want to remove those guys yet. We want to let these stay on here and remain intact. Here's another one that's spent, just like this. Now, no seed potentiality, which is great. But then once all the flowers on a stem have finished all together, we would take our shears and follow that stem down as far as you possibly can, basically to where it meets the foliage, and cut off right about there, all right? I'm not gonna do it yet because I still have flowers that are waiting to open, but in another month or so, I'll cut it right about there. All right, that's pretty much all you need to know. Keeping your iris clean is really easy. Just make sure you go out and do it because it is definitely gonna help keep them looking good, keep them from going to seed. It really sends the energy back into new foliage production and potentially new flower production as well. So make sure you stay on top of it. Takes about 10 seconds to do this whole batch, so it's super easy. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you soon. Ciao.